Welcome to my channel. What is the smallest country in the world by area? A. Monaco. B. Nauru. C. Vatican City. D. San Marino. Answer: C. Vatican City. What is the smallest bird in the world? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Finch. D. Robin. Answer: B. Hummingbird. 3. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Ulna. C. Stapes. D. Radius. Answer: C. Stapes. What is the smallest mammal by weight? A. Pygmy shrew. B. Bumblebee bat. C. Mouse lemur. D. Hamster. Answer: B. Bumblebee bat. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Southern Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Indian Ocean. Answer: C. Arctic Ocean. What is the world's smallest desert? A. Sahara. B. Atacama. C. Carcross Desert. D. Thar. Answer: C. Carcross Desert. Which is the smallest flower in the world? A. Rose. B. Daisy. C. Wolfia. D. Lily. Answer: C. Wolfia. 8. What is the smallest known insect? A. Ant. B. Wasp. C. Fairyfly. D. Gnat. Answer: C. Fairyfly. Which is the smallest muscle in the human body? A. Masseter. B. Orbicularis oculi. C. Gluteus minimus. D. Stapedius. Answer: D. Stapedius. What is the smallest unit of life? A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Organ. D. Cell. Answer: D. Cell. What is the smallest continent by area? A. Europe. B. Antarctica. C. Australia. D. South America. Answer: C. Australia. What is the smallest river in the world by length? A. Nile. B. Amazon. C. Roe River. D. River. Answer: C. Roe River. Which is the smallest desert in the world? A. Sahara. B. Gobi. C. Kalahari. D. Carcross Desert. Answer: D. Carcross Desert. Which is the smallest island country in the world by land area? A. Maldives. B. Tuvalu. C. Palau. D. Nauru. Answer: B. Tuvalu. What is the smallest unit in the metric system? A. Nanometer. B. Millimeter. C. Micrometer. D. Picometer. Answer: D. Picometer. What is the smallest unit of matter that retains chemical properties? A. Proton. B. Molecule. C. Neutron. D. Atom. Answer: D. Atom. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Venus. Answer: C. Mercury. What is the smallest type of microorganism? A. Virus. B. Bacteria. C. Protozoa. D. Fungi. Answer: A. Virus. Which is the smallest known particle in the universe? A. Atom. B. Proton. C. Electron. D. Quark. Answer: D. Quark. What is the smallest unit of data in computing? A. Bit. B. Byte. C. Nibble. D. Word. Answer: A. Bit. Thanks for watching.